让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes Huang Yuhan with a track called Ting Gong, which means twilight. And it's about overcoming low points in life and never giving up. And no matter how dark it gets, if you have the help of loved ones, that light will come back. So let's take a listen.
有一百个面给世界，一条列被挂在东边天一面，后来半路上兄弟俩一人笔下出给人看脸。有也好处条穷下走多vor人下回到
如果呢，一个人遇到低潮的时候啊，周围的朋友给予一些温暖跟鼓励哦，它会是一个很大的动力，而原本黑暗的天空呢，也会渐渐亮了。也就是这首歌"天公"的含义，"天公"在客家话的意思呢，就表示天亮了，是由黄雨涵所带来的歌曲。希望呢，大家听了也有一些正面的鼓励。
一条路，是字是梦是风是路成天，又成天。面对几个都走到头，人谈人怪人恨人喜熊穷，世界小走。我人给世界贡献慢慢年放洒出爱人出现在身边。
Again, the song is 天公 twilight. It's that time of the day where darkness turns into light. There's a lot of hope there. All right, that does it for another Hakka song on ICRT. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.